Evening, everyone. Um, for the Honorable Lecturer, Winda Suci Lestari Nasution, and all of my friends. First of all, let us thanks to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of His blessing, we are able to come here to join on this English meeting. So, before we begin, let me introduce you to the presenters. Our presenters today are from Group 1. They are Dea Venti Kalista, Dilan Ahya Yustianto, Dia Puspita Ayu Nintias Enrico, Husna Elwafa, Muhammad Rifki Rinaldi, Nurma Yulia, Konita Faradila Zahra, and Tika Ramadhani. Next slide. Today we will present about social media for improving students' English quality in millennial era. Next. For the next slide, will be explained by my friend Dia Puspita. So please welcome Dia for your take your time.
Thank you, Enrico. Basic information. The name of author is Azizah Maulina Erzat and Suciati. The name of journal is Journal Edulingua Volume 5, Number 1. This journal was created in 2018 and consists of 8 pages. Next. This research aims to find out, first, identify the various kinds of social media used by students. 2. Identify the students' English skills improved by using social media. And 3. Identify the reasons why students use social media for improving English quality. The population taken to conduct this research is as many as 30 students, and the sample is taken from the students of the English Education Department at IAIN Kudus.
The next slide will be explained by my friends Dea Venti.
Abstract. Many young generation access social media in the millennial age for a variety of reasons. One of them is improve their English performance. This study aims to know the social media application mostly used by the student, how English skills can be improved, and the reason why they use social media to improve English quality in the millennial era. Era 30 class B students from the English Education Department's second semester at IAIN Kudus are participating. This qualitative study as over session interview and documenting together data. Based on data, there are the result. First, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Line are the social media platforms that students use the most frequently. Second, social media might help students develop their listening, speaking, writing, and reading abilities in English. Social media is also used by millennials to improve their English since it is entertaining, fascinating, simple, effective, and intuitive.
For the next slide will be explained by my friend. For Dylan, take your time.
Yeah. Introduction. The presence of the media cannot be separate from the learning process. Teachers use the media as an intermediary in the teaching process that can stimulate students to learn. Teachers should have sufficient knowledge and understanding of the learning media, as stated by Hamalik in Arsyad in 2009, which include A. Media as a communication means for the effectiveness of teaching and learning process. B. The function of media in order to achieve educational goals. C. The details of learning process. D. The relationship between teaching methods and educational media. E. Value or benefits of educational media in teaching.
For the next part, it will be explained by my friends Walfa.
Okay, thank you for Rico. I will explain it. Media can help students receive, listen, or knowledge easily. One of the media that can be chosen is the internet. Students may get many English lessons from the internet, such as grammar, vocabulary, items, and so on. The existence of the internet cannot be separated from the development of information and communication technology. The internet can be used for many purposes, including educational purpose. The internet should be utilized for the learning process, for example, in English. Students can access the internet easily by using their mobile phone, so they can use it for learning and improving their English anywhere and every time. Due to the widespread use of social media by teenagers,
So the next one, I will explain some benefits of social media for education purpose. There is 5 points benefits of social media for education purpose. The first one, effectiveness of teaching and learning process. The second one, the function of media in order to achieve educational goals. The third, the details of learning process. The fourth, the relationship between teaching methods and educational media. And the last one, value or benefits or of educational media in teaching. The next part will be explained by my friend Nita.
Thank you, Enrico. I will explain the methodology. Qualitative descriptive research was applied in this study. 30 students from Class B, the second semester of the English Education Department at EAEN Kudus, participated in the study. The researchers used observation, interviewing, and documentation to gather data for the study. After gathering the data, the researchers analyzed it as follows. 1. Transcribe the interview to identify the various kinds of social media used by students. 3. Identify the student English skills improved by using social media. And 4. Identify the reason why students use social media for improving English quality.
The next part will be explained by my friend Nurma.
Okay, thanks, Enrico. Based on the data, the student of English Education Department use various social media applications. They use YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Line, WhatsApp, Messenger, Google, Pinterest, and Wattpad. YouTube is the social media mostly used by the student because they can study from the native speakers. Relate to the English skill which can be improved by social media. The student can find various applications used to study and improve their English skill, whether it is listening, speaking, writing, or reading. Next. In this millennial era, everyone prefers the easy, fast, and vertical thing. The student of English education department, Lane, could also try to have such criteria in their academic scope. They do not want to have or bring the having things. They want to study easily and well whenever and wherever. The existence of social media do support their academic purpose. Therefore, many students said they are so lucky because they live in the millennial era where everything can be accessed fast and easily, including the learning source from social media. They use social media for improving English quality because they feel that is fun, interesting, easy to coach, atau effective, simple, and informative. Okay, next. Students have a big role in the development of social media today. In this era, it has become a vital necessity for students so that there will be free, without rules and is not controlled, and can lead to a bias among these students. Social media can be spread from English language because most of them use English language in its application or features. This is indirectly so effective to learn English. This confidence makes it easier for them to learn the four English skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The result of this analysis are the category of popular social media mostly used by the student is social networking site, then followed by photos and videos. Relate to the English skill, which can be improved by social media, the student can find various applications used to study and improve their English skill, whether it is listening, speaking, writing, or reading.
Okay, the next one I will explain about the conclusion. In this millennial era, students cannot be separated from the information and technology development. The conclusion of this writing is, first, the social media applications mostly used by the students to improve their English are YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Line. The second one, the students' English skill can be improved by social media in order are listening, speaking, writing, and reading. And the last, the students use social media for improving English quality in millennial era because they are fun, interesting, easy to use or access, effective, simple, and informative. Um, Pluses and minuses. The pluses of this journal is this research can be used for further research. The content presented in the journal is clear and easy to understand. Therefore, this journal deserves to be a references for its readers in the discussions related to social media to improve the quality of English for students. And the minus of the journal is this research uses too much of a long standing sources, and the population and samples used are quite narrow. So that's our presentation for today. For all my audience, any question? Okay, in these sections, we give 5 chances for you guys give any questions of our journal and our presentation. If you guys want to ask some question, just go ahead.
Permission? I wanna ask.
Okay, go ahead.
First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Selma. My name is Selma Anisha.
Okay, Salma Anisha, what is your question?
This topic is about social media for improving students' English quality in millennial era. So my question is, how social media influence the English language? Bagaimana media sosial mempengaruhi bahasa Inggris? Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Thank you for the questions. Anyone else want to ask question from the other groups? We still have 4 chances question or we're gonna answer.
Okay, thank you for Shelma Anissa for your question how social media improve English skill. That from that I ever read about the journal, it's maybe you could use it social media or media social for doing like you can improve your English skill maybe on YouTube or the other application or maybe like Instagram, TikTok and many things like Duolingo or anything that you can meet with your friends like from Discord or maybe from if you wanna more get wider from for gen you could use social media like Instagram for meeting your friends in the other country. Thank you for your question.
Thank you, Husna, for the answer. How about the answer, Ayu? Okay, thank you. I think there is no question anymore. So I will close this presentation. Thank you for your listening. For Madam Winda Suci Lestari Nasution and all my friends. All may those we have shared be beneficial for all of us today. Thank you so much. See you later.